2017 murder suspect among four killed in Trelawny. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Assistant Commissioner of Police Clifford Chambers have revealed that Monday night's massacre of four people in Duartsville, Trelawny may have been linked to a double murder that took place back in 2017. Chambers explained that Akeem Robinson, one of the victims, was previously identified as a person of interest in relation to the shooting death of a 25-year-old woman and her 8-year-old boy.
Yes, this quadruple murder is stemming from uh, a double murder which occurred in 2017. In that incident in November 2017, one of the deceased in this matter was identified as one of the shooter in that double murder, where a 25-year-old lady was shot and killed and her 8-year-old son. In that incident as well, we had four other persons who were shot and injured, age 14, 17, 23, and 8. The suspect in that case, who is now deceased here, was arrested, but investigators had difficulties preferring charges against him because of identification purposes. But what we have here is another theory that investigators are following, where one of the deceased is a scammer, and there is also a conflict between him and persons from Kinloss. And as you know, this incident occurred in Duartsville. Incidentally, back in 2017, a report was made against him by the boyfriend of the female that was killed back in 2017. That was Janelle. Police followed up on that threat, do what was necessary, and in fact, he was taken in custody during that incident. But what we have here is that there was insufficient evidence that police could charge him for, and so he had to be released by then.
The yellow and green house that stands right now bear a grim reminder of what transpired here just a few hours ago. The two, who were identified as Karen Williams and Javier Carr Lemon, were shot and killed in King Loss on November 22, 2017. Four other people were also shot and injured during the incident. The suspect in that case, who is now deceased based on this recent development in the quadruple killing in Trelawny, was arrested in relation to that incident, but investigators had a difficult offering charges against him because of identification issues, Chambers said. Robinson was shot and killed about 10 p.m. on Monday night, along with his 21-year-old girlfriend Amelia Livingston, his 51-year-old cousin Cardell Graham, and Graham 43-year-old common-law spouse Nicole White. According to the Assistant Commissioner of Police, Mr. Clifford Chambers, who also revealed that Robinson was allegedly involved in luscious scamming and that he had reportedly had a dispute with persons from King Loss prior to his death. The Assistant Commissioner of Police further added that the investigation is at an extremely early stage, but the investigators are combing the scene and they have left pertinent evidence so far and will be relying on scientific evidence to advance the investigation to some extent, Chambers added. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.